Hello everybody and welcome back to question number 6 on our continuing progress through the 2003 grade 8 Gauss competition. Okay? So question 6 says, what number, when doubled and then increased by 13, equals 89? Okay? What number, when doubled and then increased by 13, is equal to 89? And because it's a multiple choice contest, we have two options. We can take each of our 5 possible answers and do this process, double them and add 13, and see are any of them equal to 89. Or we can set up an algebraic equation and maybe get our answer more directly. So when we say what number, we don't know what number, so how about we give that number a name? Let x be the number we're looking for. Okay. What process are we doing? We're doubling x, so that's 2 times x, and we're adding 13. And we say that in the end, we get 89. Well, that gives us a nice, easy algebraic equation that we can take a look at and maybe manipulate. So if we want the answer for x, we have to sort of undo all these steps and just get x by itself. So I read the left-hand side aloud. 2 times x plus 13. So starting at my x, what do? I multiply by 2, and then I add 13. So if I want to get x by itself, I have to sort of unwrap this or unpack it out of a box. And the last thing there was I added 13. Took my x, multiplied it by 2, and then I added 13. So to get back to x, to unpack this box, I have to subtract by 13. I have to cancel out the plus 13 that I did. So we're going to subtract 13 to cancel out the plus 13, but whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So these guys will cancel out. That's what the minus 13 was designed to do. And then on this side, we're going to get 89 minus 13. So that's 79 minus 3. That's going to be 76. So we have 2x is equal to 76. So starting at my x, what do? I take x, multiply it by 2. And that's it. So my last step is multiplying by 2. If I just want x by itself, I have to reverse that. How do we cancel out multiplication? We divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. We divide by 2 on the left-hand side to cancel out the multiply by 2. And we divide by 2 on the right, because whatever we do to one side of an equal sign, we have to do to the other. Otherwise, we can't call them equal anymore. So 76 divided by 2, well, that's 38. And over here, we just have our x. So x is equal to 38. Hopefully, that's one of our answers. There it is. It's D. So 38. Okay. So in anticipation of the next question, we're going to eagerly flip open to the next available fresh page in our notebook. And we're going to start looking at question 7, but I won't start solving it until the next video. And I'll see you guys there.